Hey, I'm Kyle. I'm from Harvie, and I wanted to show you what I got in my box this week. I got these great shagbark tortilla chips, beautiful curly kale from Lancaster Farm Fresh, awesome asparagus is in season now, and this is the second week we've had heirloom tomatoes from Dan Yarnick's farm. Our favorite Pacaya Valley yogurt, garlic scapes, which is another awesome seasonal item that we love to grill. Some fresh basil, which just looks beautiful. Our dried mangoes from Equal Exchange. Olive and Marlowe Arbequina olive oil, which is delicious. Our favorite salsa from Ocho, which is right here in Pittsburgh. Chimichurri, which is, we found a hack where that's great as a salad dressing or added to a salad dressing to herb it up. Red quinoa, which is an heirloom quinoa from a really great small producer. And one of our total favorites is Best Ever Granola. Sarah, who makes this, is awesome, and she makes a really great product. So that's my box this week. Hope you should try it.